literacy program for class 11. So basically we have designed a plethora of activities for you to be organized throughout this session, and today's event is just an inauguration of that learning week. So precisely it is the curtain raiser to give you a glimpse of what is in store for you for the rest of the session. Such activities are organized to let you express your views. The other thing that is important is knowledge. Take 10 minutes out from your busy schedule to read something other than your academic textbooks. Development. This is a comprehensive list of what we plan to organize.
First of all, tell me that how many of you have used food delivery services like Zomato and Swiggy? No, but now when marketers have put forward these services, we are using it, we are liking it, and we are needing it.
At the same time, they also contribute in the GDP by providing employment.
Marketers influence lifestyles and dietary choices. Consider junk food advertising. Does it create cravings and consider to health issues? So why are people liking it?
But sometimes they manipulate us into buying the same.
Let's take an example of latest smartphone. It creates a sense of urgency in our minds which makes us feel we must upgrade to the latest vision. Many more examples are fast food, fashionable clothes.
I partially agree, but if we see one way or the other, the products that marketers are selling ultimately comes to use to many of us in our daily lives. So what's the issue?
To what extent can blame for consumerism be solely attributed to marketers, or must due consideration be given to substantial interference of individual consumer choices?
MLGs harms our environment. They pollute our environment. They are not good for us. And even the products they make, they are not good for us. They harm us. There are a lot of...
You explain that how the upcoming generation or the next generation.
MNCs create jobs for people and locally they corporate set up branches.
According to me, MNCs affect the environment very badly.
So, do you remember your first tricycle? Well, it wasn't just a toy, but a bunch of emotions for us. Kids fall from their cycles, even get hurt sometimes, but they eventually learn to balance their bikes.
Non-recurring activities is called
capital business.
Correct. Name auxiliary to trade that removes hindrance of risk.
Insurance.
Correct.